When dielectrics with permittivity of epsilon 1 and epsilon 2 are filled between parallel plates as shown in the figure and a constant voltage is applied between the plates, what is the force acting between the two dielectrics? 1. Electric field. When a voltage is applied, the electric field between dielectrics is distributed differently across each dielectric. The electric field varies inversely proportional to the dielectric constant. Since the electric field between two dielectrics is divided by their permittivity, the electric field for each section can be expressed as follows. A. Electric field of the first dielectric, E1 equals V per D1. B. Electric field of the second dielectric, E2 equals V per D2. Where D is the voltage, and D1 and D2 are the distances between the two plates of the two dielectrics. 2. Force. The force acting between two dielectrics is caused by the electric force. The force generated by the electric field applied to each dielectric is as follows. A. Principle of force. The force acting on a dielectric is caused by the pressure of the electric field. This pressure is related to the electric field. The force in a dielectric is expressed as the dielectric force due to the electric field. It is calculated by multiplying the permittivity of free space times the area of the plates by 2, and then multiplying this by the value of E1 squared minus E2 squared. Here, F. Force acting between the two dielectrics, epsilon 0, permittivity of free space, A, area of the plates, E1 and E2, electric field strengths in dielectrics 1 and 2, respectively. At this time, the difference in permittivity and the voltage difference generate a force. B. Direction of force. Principle. Force is generated by the interaction of charges induced at the interface of two dielectrics. Regions with a higher permittivity can accumulate more charges than regions with a lower permittivity. Induction. When a constant voltage is applied to the plates, the electric field strength within each dielectric changes, affecting the amount of induced charge. Direction of force. Force acts from the dielectric with a higher permittivity to the dielectric with a lower permittivity.
La luna brilla en el cielo tan clara. El río canta su melodía tan rara. Bailamos juntos bajo el viejo farol. El ritmo nos lleva, nos llena el corazón. Mueve los pies, gira despacio, no pierdas la fe.